Hello, my Cancer Leo cusp sign. Let's have a quick monthly reading for you. Let's try and find out how the month of October 25 will be for you, my love. Sweetie pies, if you're new to my channel, do like, share, and subscribe to it. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you've been my regular viewer, thank you so much, my love, for being a part of Vive Rachel Love family. If you belong to my zodiac signs, darlings, the reading will be out shortly. This is for my cusp babies. So let's bifurcate the reading into three parts. First to the 10th, 11th to the 20th, and then from the 21st to the 31st of this month. Okay, let's go. Angels and spirit guides, first 10 days, please. We begin with silence. Okay, we have sharing, ordinariness, totality. Okay, a calm mind will give you the answers that you have been seeking for. So I think that is going to be the mantra for you in the first 10 days. Okay, money flow is coming towards you. Whatever you manifest, your manifestations can turn into reality. So good news is embracing. Keep working hard, staying connected with Mother Earth, or having flowers or floral perfumes or burning incense sticks or floral side will make you feel light-hearted. Again, there seems to be a chaos because totality is trying to say you're trying to juggle or you're trying to control 3 or 4 lives. Don't do that. There could be conflicts coming up, and maybe rather than getting into the argument, it is always best suited that let your actions speak rather than your words. Okay, so stay calm from within. Now let's find out how the time period from 11 to the 20th, that is 20, how is the second week going to be for you? We begin with going with the flow, inner voice, a fool, and healing. In the mid 10 days, you're going to fall in love, or there is somebody who wants to express their emotions towards you. Also, keep going with the flow. Emotionally, you guys are going to be happy. Follow your gut feeling. Wherever you travel, success embraces, especially my masculine energies. If you can see, we can have the blue color, which equates emotions. So voice your emotions, my darlings. Don't keep things to your heart. It's all about handling with loving kindness energies. But yes, love seems to be blooming, but we will check with the love energies. Don't worry. Right now, the midweek seems promising for you. Let's try and find out the last 10 days. That would be from the 21st to the 31st. Too many. Can I just have 2 or 3 more, please? We begin with comparison, the source. You've got 2 aces. Okay, so 2 new beautiful things. We have exhaustion and mind. Okay, so your mind will play a tricky game because you have a tendency to compare yourself with others, and because of that you might get exhausted. Okay, stop working like a machine or overthinking. New beginnings are coming up. People are looking up to you. Success is embracing, but there is a lot that you are still holding on to. If you do not release it, you will get tired. Okay, so it's your logical side that you should be putting to rest in the last 10 days, but yes, good things will come to you. Now let's ask your angels what guidance would they like to give you for this month? Angels and spirit guides, guidance please. Focus on service. So you are on the right path. In fact, your mentor is supporting you, but there is a part of you that is still getting diverted, maybe because you are trying to figure out whether people are trying to compare you or vice versa, or you're getting distracted. But your angels are saying you're in the right path. To stay focused. Do not compare your life with somebody else, because everybody has got their own karmic cycle. Now let's ask your love energies, because we found love coming to you in the mid 10 days. Let's see. And let's take 3. We begin with axe, boat and coffee cup. So go out. When you go out, you might meet somebody interesting. Okay, so that seems good. You have been waiting for some news which seems to be promising. Again, travel therapy for both will come. But if there is any separation or someone is trying to give you a silent treatment, I think this person doesn't deserve you. Okay, so let go of that person is what the energies are trying to tell you. Now let's ask universe if there is anything specific coming up for you in this month. Okay, let's take this. We have occupation. So I think this month is trying to remind you that the more hard work you do, the more benefit you will have, and your patience level will get tested. Don't worry, work on your craft. So how should I sum up this month? Focus on your path. Why focus on your path? Because what is happening is, since you are getting a lot of chaotic within, trying to prove yourself to others, this is what universe is trying to say, that no, you need to listen in a calm state of mind. If you see, we have a full moon and we have a crescent moon, again we have a crescent moon. So it's all about emotions that you need to first settle down with. You are a hardworking soul, but you need to put in 200% and don't over stress. Okay, your angels are saying you're on the right path. Do not get distracted. At the matters of heart, stop self-sabotaging. Good news is coming your way. Could be an overseas. You could meet for a coffee and the liking could develop, but just take time. But universe is trying to say patience level will get tested. Work on your craft to reap the benefits. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading, and I shall definitely see you soon. If this reading has resonated with you by any means, let me know in the comment section. But if you think it hasn't, no worries, my love. You don't have to take things to your heart. I shall see you soon in the remaining stream. Have a wonderful month ahead, my love. Stay happy, stay blessed.